Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 10. We will explain about essay academic writing, pandemic COVID-19 in the children. Next. Next. First, introduction. Next. Okay. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is a global health crisis problem. The incidence of COVID-19 in children aged 10 to 19 was 549, 72,314, or 100 of all cases, while the age group less than 10 years was 4,016, or 72,314, or 0.9% case. Indonesia has 450 cases of COVID-19. 38 of them died as of March 21, 2020. The incubator period for COVID-19 in children based on case report around the world ranges from 2 to 10 days. That data suggests 13 to 15% of virologically positive children may be asymptomatic. The most common symptoms described in the early phase of COVID-19 in children were fever 15, 50, and mild shock 38. Other clinical features that can occur are sore throat, rhinorrhea, sneezing, myalgia, fatigue, diarrhea, dizziness, skin rash, and vomiting. Next. Next.
Until now, research has stated that the virus that causes COVID-19 is transmitted through contact with small droplets from the respiratory tract when someone coughs or sneezes. Commences 2020. Various efforts to control the pandemic have had a significant impact in the economic sector, daily activities, and all aspects of children's life. UNICEF 2020 and 2020.
That's why we wrote this essay to discuss COVID further in children. The purpose of this paper is to find out about the COVID-19 pandemic in children. This paper will explain three things. The first is the understanding of COVID-19, then the signs and symptoms of COVID-19 in children, and the last is the dangers and effort to control COVID-19 in children.
Okay, now we talk about the main body. Next. Okay, the first about the definition of coronavirus disease or COVID-19. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Most people infected with the virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. However, some will become seriously ill and require medical attention. Older people and those with underlying medical condition like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, or cancer are more likely to develop seriously illness. Anyone can get sick with COVID-19 and become seriously ill or die at any age.
Okay, the next is sign and symptom of COVID-19. The disease is mainly manifested as contagious pneumonia and it's transmitted in the community through cough, sneeze, and exhales of an infected person. While children may not be as susceptible as adults, they can be more carrier of the disease and can subsequently impact older age groups. Next. Most common symptoms are fever and coughing, which need to be monitored. Furthermore, children and adolescents are potential carriers like adults and can transmit the infection among the population. Therefore, early identification and intervention in pediatric patients with COVID-19 are essential in order to control the pandemic. In contrast to adults, most children were asymptomatic, and those with symptoms commonly observed symptoms were fever, cough, and nasal symptoms, which were in accordance with other studies. Unlike adults, where the substantial number of cases report to have loss of smell.
Okay, and then we will talk about the danger and effort to control of COVID-19 to the child. In children, COVID-19 that infect children only show symptoms of seasonal viral infections such as influenza, cold, and fever, so often ignored by parents. In fact, these symptoms are the least social threat in the spread of COVID-19. In the small social sphere, if infection in children already occurs, it will pave the way of exposure to the virus for a wider community. And then, next. The role of parents in accompanying children's success during home study become very central. In connection with it, World Health Organization 2020 released various guides for parents in accompanying their children during this pandemic, includes parenting tips to be more positive and constructive in accompanying children during move at home. Parents initially play a role in guiding attitudes as well as fundamental skills such as religious education to obey the rules and for good habit, but his role became widespread as a companion to academic education. Kurniati et al. 2020.
Intervention implemented in Indonesia include quarantine for people who are suspected of being infected, restriction on domestic and international travels, Botswana gathering in groups and crowds, and the closure of school, factories, restaurants, and house public. Various efforts to control the pandemic have had a significant impact in the economic sector, daily activities, and also aspects of children's lives.
Okay, conclusion next. This topic is discussed with the aim of knowing more about the characteristic and side of COVID-19 symptoms in children, the dangers of being exposed to COVID-19. The number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 in children is very low, and the severity and mortality is even lower compared to adults. In children, COVID-19 that infect children only show general or mild symptoms, namely fever, cough, and nasal symptoms. So it is often ignored by parents, but in fact, this case and children can transmit to other people or the wider community. Control measures taken are for good people, domestic and international travel, prohibition of gathering and crowding. Next. That's all we can say. Thank you.